is known as unemployed. In case of India, we have unemployment in rural and urban areas. Yes, in India, we are having unemployed people in rural as well as urban areas. In case of rural areas, there is seasonal and disguised unemployment. Yes, in rural areas, we find mostly two types of unemployed people, seasonal and disguised. In urban areas, basically we are having the problem of educated unemployed people. Means people are educated, they are well trained sometimes, but they are unable to find the job as per their education and training. Okay, so that is educated unemployed. Now let's see over here what is seasonal and disguised unemployment, and mostly the question comes in difference form or distinguish form. What is means distinguish between seasonal and disguised unemployment. So first of all, seasonal unemployment happens when people are not able to find jobs during some months of the year. Seasonal means in a particular season or particular months of the year. If people don't have any kind of job or any kind of work to earn their livelihood, they sit at home, at back their home. So that such type of condition is considered as seasonal unemployment. Seasonal unemployment basically we find in agriculture sector. People dependent upon agriculture usually face such kind of problem. Basically it is related to agriculture sector. There are certain busy seasons when sowing, harvesting, weeding and threshing is done. During agriculture, in agriculture sector, during some months of the year, there is a lot of work. But when all such sowing, harvesting, weeding and threshing work is done, so some of the months of the year they do not have any kind of work, and they sit idle, they don't have any work, and such people are considered as seasonal unemployed. Certain months do not provide much work to the people dependent on agriculture. Basically it is related to those who are agricultural laborer. Means they do not have their own piece of land, they are cultivating on others land. So when this all activities related to agriculture is over, so during those months they do not have any kind of work, and for that they are not paid also. So that is why this kind of unemployment is known as seasonal unemployment. The same seasonal unemployment we can find in urban areas also. Those who are street vendors or some kind, means some seasons, according to season, sometimes they switch their job from one to another, like street vendor, and many kind of street vendors you can see in urban areas. So that is also a kind of seasonal unemployment. Now we will look for the disguised beta is having the simple meaning hidden, जो छिपा हुआ है, जो दिखता नहीं है. ओके, सच काइंड ऑफ डिस्गाइज का मतलब है हिडन in simple words. So what disguised unemployment? In case of disguised unemployment, people appear to be employed. This is the situation where we can see that people are employed, but actually they are not employed, actually they are not productive, they are not producing a lot, and their production, their work is not adding to the national income or the family income. So that is why this kind of unemployment is known as disguised unemployment. This usually happens among family members engaged in agricultural activity. It is again related to agriculture sector, where the whole family members are engaged in agriculture. Means all the family members are doing all sowing, harvesting and threshing work together. The work requires the service of 5 people but engages 8 people. Yes, this is the example. Here they have given example that the people required for these activities only 5. Means if 5 people will do that work, the production will be the same, the result will be the same, the income will be the same. But the whole 8 family members are engaged. So whatever the 3 family members are engaged in that, neither their work is fruitful nor their income is going to improve, because the land is limited. So that is why such kind of employment is known as disguised unemployment. 3 people are extra, these 3 people also work in the same plot as the others. The contribution made by 3 extra people does not add to the contribution made by the 5 people. Means whatever the work can be done easily by the 5 people, the same work is done by the 3 people. Means all 8 people are doing. 3 extra people, those who are the 3 extra, they are not doing extra, means they are not doing at all, their work is not fruitful over there. If 3 people are removed, the productivity of the field will not decline. Yes, whatever the 3 extra people are engaged in this activity, if they would be removed, so there would not be any impact on production activity, that would not decline. The field requires the service of 5 people and the 3 extra people are disguised unemployed. Yes, 1 hectare of land or 2 hectare of land requires only 5 people service. Means 5 people can easily cover up the 2 hectare piece of land easily. But that 2 hectare of piece of land is cultivated by 8 members. So that there are the 3 members are extra, and those 3 extra members if we removed, so there would not be any decline in production. So those 3 extra people are considered as disguised unemployed.